how should companies balance their investments between pursuing more powerful models versus leveraging more effective agent architectures?
I think almost all companies, with the exception of a few, giants, should be focusing on building applications using agentic workloads. If you have an extra few $1 billion to spare, by all means, go compete with OpenAI and Anthropic and Gemini or whatever. I think that in all seriousness, you want to do it, go for it. Just plan to spend a few $1 billion maybe. Um, uh, uh, but I think that for most businesses, is a very there's so many opportunities to build applications. And it turns out that if you look at the use of generative AI, the cost of using these models is falling rapidly. So over the last year and a half, it's fallen by maybe about 80% year on year. So I find that, kind of 2 years ago, there were teams worried about, oh, GPT-4 is kind of expensive, but the prices are falling so quickly that I would advise to worry much more about building something valuable. And then I think there's a good chance that the use of these APIs to use Gen AI will just become cheaper over time. And there are companies spending many millions of dollars on Gen AI APIs, so it can get expensive, but the vast majority of businesses I see have generative AI builds. If you build an application on top of OpenAI or Anthropic or these other APIs, I see so many businesses that are getting so much value out of it. And frankly, the bill they're sending, is so small that you'd be surprised at how small the number. You won't be surprised, John, but I think many people will be surprised.